Shubhamangalam. My name is Vishank Vardhan from 4th standard from Little Scholars High School. Today I am going to read a lesson from social studies, that is Forests and Wildlife of India. Forest and Wildlife of India. A forest is a large area covered by trees which is home to many wild animals. Forests are an important source of renewable resources. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which is essential for survival of all living things. Trees prevent soil erosion. Forests provide to shelter and to wild animals. Trees give us support products like gum, wood, medicines, fuel, furniture, paper and clothing. Types of forests in India. The forest of India can be divided into 5 types. Tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, mountain forest, thorn forest and tidal forest. Tropical evergreen. These forests have trees that shed their leaves at different times of the year and hence appear green throughout. Trees in this forest grow very tall and have a thick woody bark. The trees grow very close to each other, and the leaves at the top from a roof-like structure called canopy. Canopies do not allow much light to pass through them. Mostly it rains heavily in these areas. This evergreen forests grow well in the moister wet places and are found mainly in the northeastern hills and Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the hill slopes of the Western Ghats. Some of the common trees that grow here are margos and rosewood. Tropical deciduous forest. The trees in these forests shed their leaves once in a year. In the same season, these forests grow in areas that receive moderate rainfall. In India, tropical deciduous forests are mainly found in foothills of the Himalayas in the states of Uttarakhand and in Uttar Pradesh. Such forests are also found in the states of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Odisha. Sleek, dark sandalwood, marshu, shrima, babul and slimur are some common trees that grow in the tropical deciduous forest. These are home to animals like deer, monkeys and birds like parrot. Tropical deciduous forest from the large forest cover in India. Mountain forest. These forests have coniferous trees such as pine and deodar. Coniferous are trees and shrubs that grow cooler areas of the world. They have fruits called cones and very thin leaves called needles, which they do not normally lose in winter. Coniferous forests are mainly found in higher parts of Himalaya mountain region. Paper is made up of pulp of coniferous trees. Thorn forest. These forests are mainly found in the desert regions of Rajasthan, parts of Haryana and southern part of Punjab. The trees in a thorn forest such as babul kikar have sharp thorns and small leaves to prevent loss of water. The sharp thorns also keep animals away. These plants grow in desert areas and hence their roots spread throughout the large area in order to absorb water and minerals. Various types of wild palms and cactus are also found in can grow well in both freshwater and seawater in India. In India, tidal forests are found in Ganga, Brahmaputra delta region. The famous scenery trees, shrubs and plants grow in these forests. Boats are made out of the wood of these trees. This forest is the home of Royal Bengali tiger, spotted deer, crocodiles, and many more animals. Conversion of forest. A number of movements have tried to protect the forest cover of India. Of this is the Chipko movement, which took places in the 1970, was the most famous. A group of villagers from the Reni village of Uttarakhand plunging to the trees, preventing woodcutters from cutting them down. The movement was successful and spread to many parts of country. Wildlife of India. The wildlife of India includes a large number of birds, animals and insects. The Royal Bengal tiger is national animal, lives in Sundarbans. One horned rhinoceros found in Kizna National Park is a protected animal. Rhinos, elephants, hippos and deer are also found in many forests. In the northeastern states, deciduous forests provide shelter. Animals like leopard, boar, deer and wild buffalo, camels and desert cats are found in the Thorn forest. Asiatic lions are found in Gir forest of Gujarat. However, due to large scale deforestation, these animals like losing their natural homes. Hence, it is important for us to conserve both the forest and as well as its wildlife. National parks is a large area of land which is protected by the government because of its natural beauty, plants or animals, and which is a public can usually visit. A wildlife sanctuary is an area where wild animals and plants are protected. In order of control poaching, the government has declared many areas as wild sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries and national parks. Some of the important national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and bird sanctuaries of India are given in the table. Thank you.